Yan, di ba?
Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your pen and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music, dance with me. I love peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be love, 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 love. Especially for you. I wanna let you know what I was going through. Till now, I always get by on my own. I never really care until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Oh, you don't know how long I have waited to touch your lips and hold you tight. Ayoko niyan.
Gusto mo to?
Stay with me, 'cause without you, girl, I need complete. I'm addicted to your love and I can't get enough. Stay, stay,
Kay na?
always. Ah, I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the pitch dark. You don't know where no tonight. No answer on the telephone. But the night goes on very slow. And my love for you is still unknown. Alone. Till now, I always got by on my own. I never really care until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone?